Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast with Lily. Today, I'll share a simple and enjoyable story about my daily shopping. You will learn useful English words and everyday shopping expressions while following me on my shopping trip. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday, and I'm going shopping. Before I leave, I always make a shopping list. My list helps me remember everything I need. Today, I need fruit, vegetables, a new jacket, and a birthday gift. I also bring my reusable shopping bag. It's better for the environment.
Good morning, Lily. Are you ready to go?
Almost. I'm checking my list one more time.
That's very organized.
I don't want to forget anything.
Have a wonderful shopping trip.
Thank you. I'll see you later.
Good morning. Welcome to our supermarket.
Good morning. Thank you.
Can I help you find anything?
Yes, please. I'm looking for fresh fruit.
The fruit section is just over there.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
Everything looks so fresh today. I'll buy some apples, bananas, grapes, and strawberries.
Those are very popular today.
Great. I love fresh fruit.
Those strawberries look delicious.
They really do. They're bright red and fresh.
How do you choose good fruit?
I always look for fresh colors. I also check that the fruit feels firm.
That's a good idea.
I like buying fruit that's in season.
It usually tastes better.
And it's often less expensive.
Thank you for the helpful advice.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Hello! Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you. Everything was easy to find.
That's wonderful. I'll scan your groceries.
Thank you.
Your total is $38.50.
I'd like to pay by card, please.
Certainly. Please tap your card on the reader.
Done.
Payment approved. Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Would you like help with your shopping bags?
No, thank you. I can carry them.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. See you next time.
What did Lily write on her shopping list? A. Fruit, vegetables, a new jacket, and a birthday gift. B. Only bread and milk. C. Pizza and ice cream. Answer is A. Fruit, vegetables, a new jacket, and a birthday gift. Where did Lily pay for her groceries? A. At the bakery. B. At the checkout counter. C. At the cafe. Answer is B. At the checkout counter. Fantastic work! See you in part 2, where we'll shop for clothes, try on a jacket, buy new shoes, and enjoy a relaxing coffee break at the mall.
Hello! Welcome to our clothing store. Hi, thank you. Can I help you find something today? Yes, please. I'm looking for a new jacket. What color do you like? I like light blue or beige. We have some beautiful new jackets over here. They look very nice. Feel free to try them on. Thank you. I will.
Oh, I like this jacket, but it feels a little tight.
Would you like to try a larger size?
Yes, please.
I'll bring you a medium.
This one feels much better.
How does it look?
I love it. It's comfortable and the color is beautiful. It looks perfect on you. Thank you. I think I'll buy it.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for comfortable sneakers.
What size do you wear?
Size 38.
Here are our newest sneakers.
They feel very comfortable.
Would you like to walk a little?
That's a good idea. They're light, soft, and very comfortable.
Excellent choice.
I'll take them.
Hi, Lily. It's nice to see you. Hi, Sarah. It's great to see you too. How was your shopping? It was wonderful. I bought a beautiful jacket and new sneakers.
That sounds exciting. Did you find everything you wanted? Yes, everyone was very helpful.
Good afternoon. What would you like to drink?
I'd like a latte, please. I'll have a cappuccino.
Certainly. I'll bring them right away.
I can't wait to see your new jacket. I'll show you after our coffee.
Which jacket did Lily choose? A red jacket, B, a light blue jacket, C, a black jacket. Answer is B, a light blue jacket. What did Lily buy at the shoe store? A, sandals, B, boots, C, comfortable sneakers. Answer is C, comfortable sneakers. Fantastic! Join me in part 3, where we'll shop for home items, buy a birthday gift, meet another friend, and carry all our shopping bags home while learning even more everyday English.
Hello. Welcome to home living.
Thank you. I'm looking for a few things for my apartment.
What do you need today?
I'd like a new coffee mug, some kitchen towels, and a small plant.
You'll find beautiful mugs on this shelf. The plants are just around the corner.
Everything looks so nice.
We have many new arrivals this week. I love this blue mug. It's simple, but very beautiful. That's one of our best-selling mugs. Great, I'll take it.
Good afternoon. Can I help you find a gift?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a birthday present for my cousin. How old is your cousin?
She's 22.
These notebooks and scented candles are very popular. I really like this notebook. The design is beautiful. Would you like me to wrap it? Yes, please. That would be wonderful. I'll add a nice ribbon, too. Thank you very much.
Lily, what a nice surprise.
Hi, Alex. It's great to see you.
Wow, you bought a lot of things today.
Yes, I did. It was a very successful shopping trip.
What did you buy?
I bought a jacket, sneakers, a coffee mug, a small plant, and a birthday gift.
Sounds like you found everything.
Yes, I'm really happy with my shopping today.
Do you have any plans this evening?
I'll go home, relax, and show everything to my mom.
That sounds like a perfect day.
What a wonderful shopping day. I found everything on my shopping list. I bought fresh food, new clothes, comfortable sneakers, home items, and a birthday gift. I'm especially excited about my new jacket. Everyone was kind and helpful today. Shopping is much more enjoyable when you plan ahead. Making a shopping list helps you save both time and money. Now I'm ready to go home and relax. It has been a wonderful day.
Which home item did Lily choose? A, a blue coffee mug. B, a frying pan. C, a table lamp. Answer is A, blue coffee mug. Who was the birthday gift for? A, her mother. B, her cousin. C, Emma. Answer is B, her cousin. Amazing job. I'll see you in part 4, where we'll unpack everything at home, show our shopping to Mom, review the day, and learn even more useful shopping vocabulary.
Ah, I'm finally home. Let me unpack everything I bought today. First, here is my new jacket. I really love the color. These sneakers are very comfortable. And this blue coffee mug is perfect for my morning coffee. This is the birthday gift for my cousin. I hope she likes it. Everything has its own place now. Shopping was tiring, but it was a wonderful day.
Welcome home, Lily. How was your shopping trip? It was great. I bought many useful things. Let me see what you found. Look at this jacket. I love the color. It looks beautiful on you. I also bought these comfortable sneakers. They look perfect for walking. And this is my new coffee mug. You always find cute mugs. Yes, I do.
What was your favorite thing you bought today?
I think my favorite purchase is my new jacket. Why do you like it?
Because it is comfortable, stylish, and the color is beautiful.
That's a good choice.
What about you? What do you like most?
I really like the small plant. It makes the room feel fresh.
I like it too. You made some great choices today. Thank you, Mom.
Let's learn some useful words about shopping places. Supermarket. A place where we buy food and daily items. Clothing store. A place where we buy clothes. Shoe store. A place where we buy shoes. Gift shop. A place where we buy presents.
Here are some common shopping expressions. I'm looking for... Example, I'm looking for a jacket. Can I try it on? We use this when we want to check clothes. How much is it? We use this to ask about price. These expressions will help you communicate when shopping.
Now, let's learn words about payment. Cash, money in coins and bills. Credit card, a card we use to pay. Receipt, the paper that shows what you bought. Discount, a lower price. Great job! Let's learn some clothing vocabulary. Jacket. T-shirt. Jeans. Sneakers. These are common words you can use every day. Let's practice some important shopping sentences. I'd like to buy this. Do you have another size? It fits perfectly. I'll take it. Excellent work! You are improving your English step by step.
What do you receive after paying in a store? A. Receipt. B. Jacket. C. Shopping bag. Answer is A. Receipt.
Thank you for learning with me. See you next time on English Podcast with Lily.